Yo, guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I'm not in Botswana right now. So I'm reacting to WHP. Yo, WHP, it's one of those days. I don't know why. Maybe because I watched that Twice episode and I'm like, wow, WHP, yay. Yeah, I miss his music. I wonder what he will sing about this time around because, a lot is going on. Maybe he'll be taking a break, but yeah, surely missed in the music space. But today I'm reacting to to WHP Casper Tasman. Do you know that person? For those of you who don't speak Tswana Sotho, so that's what he's asking. Do you know that person? He was gonna tell us what kind of person is he talking about. Okay, I'll try to translate for you guys as much as I possibly can, and let's get to it, man. This was like a little bit back. Hey, you can. Hey, 1 2 1 2. Look at Casper in your vest, man. Like, talk about humble beginnings. I mean, this is not his beginnings, but look at him. Oh, Kulichan was a big guy back then. He just said this guy claims to know Kulichan. Yo, this was a vibe, man. This tune takes me back to my home village. You used to listen to this with my guys.
Leave the whole crime scene in a mess and wrap you up in a mess. I've been doing this for so many years. The Omo Bonner reaching out for your past. Trying to shout your queen like chairs and sparking beef confess. Like I'm judge, I'm 10 years back, then catch I'm toe. Pandak nigga, come touch I'm toe. Opela klima go dance. Enough, come chime like gas. Pandak nigga, schema di nest. Otabe osipa nipi hote. Baby pipi hote. Opone keke na go try to see people take. I'll schema di money on a morning. Otabo seba alidi koning. How le enera ho.
You know, I speak Setswana, but because it's rap music, you don't understand everything. And even back then, I didn't understand what WHP was talking about here, because he's saying like I'm coming, having a machine in my pocket, and we all see what the machine is. Oh, the metal. No, he said tip, which is metal. Yeah, tip good old days, man. Oh. And the beat was just a vibe.
Kamatile manyora utile Nikile kuba bora utile Hey, yay tall utile
Isikhalera umuthi bukola uthe wamona uthe ramo
Why did I even react to this song, man? It's just lots and lots of memories on this one. Yes. Okay. Double HP Casper verse Tasman. Yeah, man. This guy's made Setswana fashionable for real, for real. We're proud to speak Setswana, and I know they took this talent to other countries as well. That I believe they were the pioneers of Motswako, which is like mixing your vernacular language into hip hop music, and everybody in Africa is doing. Not everybody. Most of the rappers in Africa are doing that. Like you put in your language in there. You know, you own it. That was a beautiful one. Good memories on that song. Oh my goodness, I almost lost it. So I gotta be careful. But I just wanna check out Momolim after this. So if you wanna check that out, please follow me. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And yeah. My eyes are red because of allergies, guys. Where I am is just lots going on with allergies, and yeah, make sure that when you're trying to move to a country, research about allergies and stuff, because I didn't used to have any allergy during springtime, and now it seems like I'm weak, you know. I'm a weak African man. I'll see you guys on the other side.